Gus Schmidt back with a new trading video. So today I'm on the pocket option platform and I'm going to be trading stocks on the platform. Some known stocks like Boeing, Alibaba, Netflix, Facebook. Okay, so I'll be utilizing two indicators. So when you click on my indicator icon here, the two indicators are going to be the RSI, the relative strength index indicator, and the momentum indicator. Okay. So when I go into my RSI settings here, I have the period set to 7. And in my style settings here, I've disabled the 70 and the 30 line. So we're only keeping the 50 line in the main line. The main line is set to green 3 pixels. The 50 line is set to white 3 pixels. Okay. And for my momentum indicator, I've set the period also to 7. And in my style settings, for the main line, I'm using the line, not the histogram. The histogram is the default setting, but we're going to be using just the regular line here, 3 pixels. So we go ahead and save those settings. And for my candlestick chart, I have my candle set to regular Japanese candle, 1 minute Japanese candles. And for my trade timer, I'll be utilizing 1 minute candles. I'm going to be taking 1 minute trades or 60-second trades. Okay. So I'm going to pause the video and look for some setups. Okay. So I'm on McDonald's, the McDonald's stock, and I just took a sell trade or put trade here. And the reason why I took the trade is because the RSI line here just crossed below the 50 line. In addition to that, the momentum indicator is showing a downward sloping direction. So I went ahead and took the sell trade. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Okay, good. So we won that trade. So I'm going to pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on Intel stock right now, and I just took a sell trade. The reason why I took the sell trade, similarly to the previous trade, I waited for the RSI line to cross below the 50 line here. In addition to that, the momentum indicator is showing a downward sloping line here. So we have our two confirmations. Both lines are showing downward slopes, with the trigger being the RSI line crossing below the 50 line. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry. Okay, so we won that trade. Let me move on to the next setup. So I'm going to pause the video. Okay, so I'm on Netflix here, and I just took a sell trade, a 60-second sell trade. And the reason why I took the trade here is the RSI line just crossed below the 50 line here, which is the first trigger. Secondly, the momentum indicator is showing a downward sloping direction. So we have a confluence in the two signals here, with the trigger being the RSI line crossing below the 50 line here. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Okay, great. So we won that trade as well. Let me pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on Exxon Mobil and I just took a sell trade, a put trade here on the stock. And the reason why I took the put trade is the RSI line showing a cross from below, above the 50 line to below the 50 line here. In addition to that, the momentum indicator is showing a strong downward sloping direction in the stock. So I went ahead and executed a 60-second trade here. And let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Okay, so we won that trade. Kind of close. It kind of retraced back, but I took a good entry here on the trade. So I'm gonna close the session out here, and I also wanted to mention that I'm only risking about 1% of my balance here, and that's part of the money management. Uh, I do have a pretty good win rate, but you know, all traders need to exercise good money management. Never risk more than 5% of your balance. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share the video, comment on the strategy. If you're interested in making a comment about the strategy, share the video. I have a link to the trading platform in the video comments and in the channel description. So thank you for watching. Gus Schmidt, and I'll see you in the next video.